Hey guys, hope you guys are well today. So today I'll be making Falooda, and I have a packet mix here which I have opened up. I'm going to just boil some milk. So I've boiled some milk and I've added some cardamoms in. Now I'm going to add the Falooda mix. So I'm just adding this in. So I've just added that in and it's turned the milk pink. So I'm going to cook this on a medium heat and allowing the vermicelli that are in here to cook and for the sugar to melt. This is now boiled. I'm just going to put this on the side just to cool down. So I'm going to now start off making my jelly. So I have some jelly crystals here. I'm using strawberry flavour. So I'm adding 400 ml boiling water. I'm going to now add the jelly crystals and keep stirring until the crystals have melted or dissolved. Okay, these look nicely dissolved. I'm just going to leave this to cool. So my jelly has been chilled and is now ready, and the Falooda has also been chilled and is now ready. So let's just assemble this. So first of all, I'm going to add some jelly. So I've cut my jelly in square pieces. Going to pop that in. So now I'm just going to pour in the Falooda. And from the Falooda you've got the vermicelli, which I'm just going to pour in. So I'm just going to add a few more and avoid some spillage. So now I'm just going to add the ice cream. I'm just going to finish it off with some sprinkles. So there we have our finished Falooda. So here we go, our finished Falooda. Hope you guys give it a try. And thanks guys for watching.